I'm going to show you how to make a marshmallow meringue.
Marshmallow meringue.
Super fast. This will take like under 3 minutes.
What?
4 egg whites, pinch of salt. I'm not even going to weight tablespoon by tablespoon. That's 80 grams of caster sugar. Whisk to medium peaks. All right, so that's good. So that took like 2 minutes. Time is of the essence. Because there's very little sugar in it, the meringue actually collapses really fast. Just going to drape some cling film over the top. Drape, don't cover.
Oh, yours is full whack, hey? I would never, ever think to put meringues in the microwave.
20 seconds.
20 seconds?
Make sure you watch. So they're going to puff up.
No way.
Yeah.
20 seconds only.
Yeah. Woo.
Smells like meringue.
That's it, done. So that is my very quick and easy marshmallow meringue.